Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas, and it is April the 26th. And taking a look at the market, ugly bar yesterday, kind of breaking down below some key moving averages, your 10 and your 20. And same thing can be said about the Qs. I'm not going to pull it up. Getting a little bit of a bounce back this morning with Microsoft earnings overnight, but uh, what not something I'm real excited about if you're bullish. Seeing this ugly bar breaking down out of our range, we did hold the bottom of this range, so maybe keep your eye on that for maybe a break below this 405 level. But let's take a look because there is some opportunity out there. We had overnight had a bounce in China, so we're going to look at strength. What's been holding up well in China, this EDU kind of pulled back 3 days here. Now you're seeing a bar reversal, pretty big gap up on this thing, but keep an eye up on this EDU if it can get back above this 45.50 level. And let's see, of course, Microsoft, I think you got to watch that with the earnings overnight. It is gapping above this key level here, which I think is a 52-week high there in Microsoft. So, or an all-time high actually. So keep an eye on Microsoft. Gold and silver, OR had an impressive close yesterday. You don't have the 15-minute chart on here, but a very strong close in this OR. It's a gold and silver miner. I'm really liking the way that one is setting up. And STNE is a nice setup there. And this STNE, if it can get back above this $12 level, which is basically trading really close to it right now. Impressive move. You've had a perfect bull flag here, a move, and then you've been kind of going sideways here. So look for an explosive move above that 12, say 12.10 level. All right, guys, that's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.